The WooCommerce team has been hard at work creating a mobile app, and it's now on iOS and Android. I'm going to show you how to use the Android version. I've already installed the app, which you can find on the Google Play Store or the App Store. And the first thing you have to do is log in with Jetpack. I'll click that button. Go ahead and enter your WordPress.com email address. It might be auto-suggested. WooCommerce will send you a magic link to confirm you are the real person who has this email address. I'll go to my email to look for that magic link. Here it is. I'll click Sign into WordPress.com. I'll enter my verification code if you have two-factor authentication set up. Otherwise, you should automatically be redirected back to the app. Now, you can choose any one of the stores that you've already connected with Jetpack. Here's H+ Sport, so I'll click that one and click Continue. From here, we can do all sorts of things. One of the features built into the app that you don't do any configuration for are the notifications. I know this sounds like a silly feature, but for a new store owner, getting that cash register sound when there's a new order is very exciting. And it's worth getting the app just so you can get those sales moments throughout your day. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the reports. So for my store, we can see the number of visitors, the number of orders over days, weeks, months, and years. We can look at top performers, and of course, one of the most important things is we can go into individual orders. So let's take a look at this order which we placed earlier today. We can change the order status. So this could be processing, and I could change it from processing to completed since I've shipped it. I can see all the shipping information, and if there's some sort of problem, I can add an order note. We can, of course, search for orders and filter orders. This is really fantastic. So we can see all the orders that need to be processed, and then mark them as completed as we figure them out. This app makes shipping products from your house or office so much more manageable. As soon as the order is packed and dropped off at the shipper, you can mark it as complete from your phone. And if you need to, you can take a look at all of your notifications. This app is pretty bare bones, but that's really all you need to manage your orders. I do expect to see this app get more and more robust over time, but even as it is, I recommend it to all of my clients. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, Learn Then Earn, for more videos.